Hey everyone, bought another Crayola product last month and wanted to test it out. I maybe wanted to try out the crayon melter. It allows you to take normal Crayola crayons, melt them, and create creations out of them. So on the side it has Crayola melter, use variety materials, uh, canvases, woods, and cardboard. And then on this side it tells you how to actually use it, which is to insert the crayon, plug it in, and then create. So now I'm going to open it. And on the back of the box it has a crayon melter. It says turn ordinary crayons into melting masterpieces with the creative melter feature. A sleek, compact design, the crayon melter provides a steady, low heat for continuously melting action. Just load a crayon and plug it in and create. Heats up in 2 minutes. 3 sheets of 8 by 110 paper, a stocking station, a label creator, and a cleaning tool. Comes with 8 crayons and it dries quickly. It says create lots of cool stuff. Visit YouTube, Crayola.com/crayon melter to see us on YouTube. I'll show you how to melt crayons just like a pro. And it says for more fun, purchase with the 120 box of crayons, which we have over in our stash over there, to create your own. So now I'm going to open it up, which I pre-opened the box. I didn't go into the box, but I just pre-opened it. First thing we need to pull out is the wall adapter and the stand. Let's see, this stuff actually pulls all out. Okay, that's everything in the box. First thing that I come across of is the instructions of how to actually use it. First thing that you do is that you use the press and peel the label cutter over the crayon to peel off the label. Then break the crayon into pieces and insert it through the flap of the cap. Have an adult attach the power cord to the melter. Then have the adult plug it into the adapter. The LED light turns green when the melter is ready. Hold the melter up against upright with tip flat and flat on the paper and go. Wipe exclusive wax from tip if necessary. Use up all crayon wax in the melter before changing colors. Insert new crayon color and wait 30 seconds to begin to create again. Doodle on a piece of scrap paper until the new color appears. And it says the same thing in Spanish in the back. And it says a little crayon goes a long way. The color blocks show how much an area of 1/4 of a crayon color covers. It's a good idea to plan out how much color you need for each section of art. So they don't tell you to put the entire crayon into the machine. They tell you to break the crayon up into specific sections. Now this is the design paper that they were talking about. And then they have the crayon melter. This is just an overview of the warranties and stuffs and the equipment that comes with it. And then it comes with multiple color crayons, which are taped to the box. Looks like you get a blue, a green, a turquoise, a yellow, an orange, a red, a purple, and a pink crayon. And this is the tool which they were talking about. This is the cleaning tool, so you can clean the pen out. And then this is the pen itself, which I believe then you can easily insert this into here and clean if necessary, or push the crayon down to get heated. Now they do say to hold it properly against the paper like so, have it plugged into the wall outlet. You pop this part open and this is how you clean out the axis because it's screwed at the bottom. I think that's what it said, how to clean it. So, for example, I was just reading what they said on there. So, I'm just going to take one of these crayons for example. Take the first color that I can get to. They tell you to take the crayon, insert it into the feeder, close the feeder, plug the feeder in, and then this light here will be red. Once it turns green, it's ready to use, and then you just push down and it will start writing. So it seems pretty easy to use. In my next video, I'll show an example of me using it, so stay tuned for that.